In this video, we'll show you how to apply for a loan with ABANCA step by step. The first thing we need to do is open the ABANCA app, and once we're inside, look for the loan section. When we enter this section, we'll see the different financing options available. In my case, for example, I'll scroll down until I find the vehicle loan. Here, we'll be able to indicate whether we're looking to finance a new or used vehicle. Once we've selected the option we're interested in, the app will take us to the official ABANCA website. From here, we'll need to complete the application form with our personal and financial information, details about our household, and the amount we want to request. Once we've entered all the required information, it's very important to carefully read all the terms and conditions of the agreement before submitting the application, especially the interest rate, monthly payments, and total amount we'll have to repay. After submitting the application, ABANCA will review our financial situation and let us know whether the application has been approved or declined based on the bank's criteria. The response time may vary depending on each application and the information that needs to be verified. And that's it. As you can see, applying for a loan with ABANCA is a fairly simple process as long as we follow the steps correctly and review the terms before accepting the agreement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.